What if AI could invent something that even nature never created? A material so light, it feels like holding air, yet so strong, it can survive impacts that would shatter steel. This isn't science fiction. This is real. And it was designed entirely by artificial intelligence. In this video, we're diving into a stunning new breakthrough, a material engineered at the atomic level with the help of AI and microscopic 3D printing. From rockets and electric cars to medicine, defense, and the devices in your pocket, this invention could change everything. Let's explore how machines are no longer just building the future. They're inventing the stuff it's made of. The problem with materials today: every product in our world, from skyscrapers to sneakers, depends on materials. But there's always a trade-off. Strength usually means weight. Lightness often means fragility. Titanium is strong, but heavy. Carbon fiber is light, but brittle. Even nature has limits. That's why, for decades, engineers have been stuck choosing the least bad option. Until now, because AI just broke the rulebook. When AI designs matter from scratch, instead of asking what's already possible, researchers asked AI what's never been done before. They trained a neural network on thousands of 3D microstructures, each one with its own balance of stiffness, stretch, and shock resistance. The AI began to generate patterns that no human had ever seen, structures so efficient they looked like they belonged in another dimension. At the heart of it was a shape, the nanolattice. It's not one material, but a structure, a skeletal framework made of ultra-thin strips arranged in mathematically perfect formations. The result? A material that's 95% air and still tougher than solid titanium. The science behind the impossible. So how does something that's mostly empty space end up this strong? It comes down to geometry. Every microscopic beam in the lattice works like an architectural arch, spreading pressure, redirecting shock, and resisting collapse. It's nature's idea taken to an extreme. Like bone, like coral, but now designed by machines at a scale smaller than a red blood cell. The magic happens in how the beams are arranged, not what they're made of. And that's the genius of AI. It doesn't just choose the best material. It invents the best shape. How it's built and why that matters: this isn't built in a factory. It's printed with lasers at the nanometer scale. Using two-photon lithography, scientists focus a laser into a liquid polymer and solidify it point by point, building up the structure atom by atom. It's like sculpting a skyscraper out of light and molecules. Right now, it only exists in lab samples, but those samples are already rewriting what's possible. A glimpse into the future: imagine rockets that weigh half as much but survive double the impact. Electric cars that travel farther because their frames are lighter than aluminum but stronger than steel. Phones that don't need bulky case because the body itself can absorb shocks. Medical implants that mimic bone, not just in shape, but in strength and flexibility. Even body armor that weighs less than a t-shirt and can stop high-velocity impact. All of it designed by AI. All of it real. The challenge ahead. So what's the catch? Right now, production is slow. It takes high-end lab equipment and lots of tomato print, just a few milligrams. But remember, carbon fiber started that way too. And now it's everywhere. As nanofabrication tech improves and the demand for smarter materials grows, the price will drop. The speed will rise. And AI-designed materials will go mainstream. The bigger picture: this isn't just a new material. It's a new way of inventing. We've crossed a line. AI isn't just solving problems anymore, it's creating possibilities that human minds never imagined. In the past, we discovered materials. Now, we design them. Need something stronger than steel but lighter than foam? Just ask the machine. It will find a solution in a space of ideas we didn't know existed. Welcome to the age where intelligence shapes matter. And the materials of tomorrow weren't found in nature, they're born in code.